Welcome to this tutorial on how to analyze the Semrush dashboard. Semrush is a powerful tool used for digital marketing analysis, and understanding its dashboard is crucial for making informed decisions. First, let's start with the overview section, which provides a summary of your website's performance. Here, you can see key metrics such as organic search traffic, paid search traffic, and backlinks. This section gives you a quick glance at your website's overall health and performance. Next, let's dive into the organic search section. This is where you can analyze your website's organic search traffic, including the number of keywords, organic positions, and competitors. You can also see which pages are driving the most traffic and which keywords are generating the most conversions. The paid search section provides insights into your paid advertising campaigns, including ad spend, conversions, and return on ad spend. You can also analyze your competitors' paid search strategies and identify areas for improvement. Another important section is the backlinks section, which shows you who is linking to your website and the quality of those links. You can analyze the anchor text, link type, and authority of the linking domains to understand your backlink profile. The technical SEO section helps you identify technical issues with your website, such as crawl errors, broken links, and page speed issues. You can also analyze your website's mobile usability, SSL encryption, and other technical factors that impact search engine rankings. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it's essential to set up your website and track your competitors. This allows you to monitor your progress over time and make data-driven decisions. You can also set up custom reports and notifications to stay on top of your website's performance. Best practices for analyzing the Semrush dashboard include regularly monitoring your website's performance, tracking your competitors, and making adjustments to your digital marketing strategy based on the data. By following these steps and using the Semrush dashboard effectively, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and make informed decisions to improve your digital marketing strategy.